Are those long working hours, slumping and slouching causing you pain that it prevents you from walking? When neck and shoulder pain is a major issue of posture loss, introducing the Posture Back Corrector, the best solution to having a bad posture. You simply slip it on like a backpack, as it relieves all your tension and stiff shoulders. It will help restore your forward posture curve. Great to wear over or under all of your clothing. A product you can't live without to get great posture. Use it for relief at work or home. Get your Posture Back Corrector today. With a 30-day money-back guarantee and free 15-day shipping. See the details in the description below.